Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will walk you through how to create your own Patreon account from scratch, step by step. Whether you are a content creator, artist, podcaster, or educator, Patreon is a great way to earn recurring income by offering exclusive content to your fans. Let's dive in. Quick refresher. Patreon is a membership platform where your followers can support you financially in exchange for perks like bonus videos, early access, behind the scenes, or one-on-one chats. First of all, go to patreon.com and create on Patreon. At the top right corner, select sign up, select get started button. You can sign up using your email, Google, or Facebook. I recommend email for full control. Once you sign up, Patreon will guide you through creating your account. Now, I will create by temporary mail for this tutorial. Let's copy the temporary email address from temp mail. Then enter. Then paste here your email address, then continue. Now enter your name, full name, or enter your password and continue. Your creator name like this, and continue. Upload clear upload clear on brand images. About section, write a short intro like, hey, I am dash, and I make uh, something like your type of your content. Join my Patreon for exclusive like videos, art, podcasts. Keep your tone friendly and authentic. This is your chance to connect. Next, let's set up your membership tiers. Tiers let you offer different perks at different price points. Example, $3 thank you plus early access, $5 bonus content, $10 monthly Q&A, and or digital downloads 25 $25 plus one-on-one chats or personalized content. Be realistic, offer perks you can drive consistently. You can always add more later. Before you go live, take a few final things: payment settings, connect your PayPal or bank. Goals, it's optional. Set income or community goals, welcome message, add a thank you message for new patrons. Preview your page, make sure it looks good on mobile and desktop. When you are ready, hit launch and boom. Your Patreon is live. And that's it. You have just created your own Patreon account. Now share your page on social media, in your videos, or with your email list to start gaining supporters. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more creator tips. Got questions about tires, rewards, or growing your Patreon? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.